The following video is a review of accessibility for people with hearing impairment within the New South Wales rail network. The Transport for New South Wales Disability Action Plan 2012 to 2017 outlines practices and measures currently available for people with a disability.
This section outlines improvements that can be made to the New South Wales rail system. In terms of technology and other accessibility facilities for people with a hearing impairment, the Australian rail system is significantly behind other countries around the world. In the UK, for example, standards of accessibility within the rail system are quite high. Hearing loop systems are installed at all staffed information booths. Some UK rail staff are proficient in sign language. Oyster cards, which charged online, replace purchasing tickets on the station. This minimises the need to communicate with rail staff in person and increases feeling of independence for all rail customers. Passenger information screens are on all train stations and new trains in the UK. Stations are fitted with audio as well as visual fire alarms, usually in the form of flashing lights or illuminated signs. Further improvements that could be implemented in Australia include flashing lights on train doors to indicate doors opening and closing, increased staff training and disability awareness, presence of Auslan interpreters on stations, and an increase in numbers of deaf and hard of hearing people employed within the rail system. Finally, the installation of electronic information screens on all stations and on trains would be a major improvement to New South Wales and Australia. These would show information not only about when trains are due to arrive and depart, but also announcements about delays, track work, emergency alerts, changes to stations at which the train will be stopping, and any other unforeseen circumstances.
It is apparent that Transport New South Wales is taking steps in the right direction. However, it needs to be accelerated in Australia if we need to keep in front of the world things. Thank you.